你好, my name is Penny Pan, and I'm the Director of Chinese Studies at Canadian International School of Hong Kong. The Chinese Studies program at CDNIS stands as one of the finest among English language schools in Hong Kong. Our program provides an education in both oral and written Mandarin Chinese and is taught to students from beginner to native speakers from early years to grade 12. Our low school Chinese classes from grade 1 to grade 5 are held here in our Chinese Culture Center, also known as the CCC, Hong Han Xuan. The CCC offers our students a truly inspiring place to learn an additional language. All classrooms are outfitted with the latest technologies, ensuring the teaching and learning taking place is engaging and innovative. No matter when a child joins our school, our talented and knowledgeable teaching staff can support students across all levels. Students in our early years and prep Chinese program are not streamed. Our EY students enjoy 1 day of Mandarin immersion per week, while our prep students participate in a daily 40 minutes class. CDNIS is an international school with a very strong Chinese program. But by definition, we're not a bilingual school. Students in grade 1 to 12 are streamed into differentiated classes and will take up to 280 minutes of Mandarin language instruction per week. Our two-stream approach, Language A and Language B, is aligned with IB language framework. As students progress from the lower to the upper school, the two streams are divided up into as many as 7 different levels. The Language B stream is for beginner to capable communicators and include Mandarin Foundation level and Mandarin Standard level. By grade 12, students can expect to speak confidently about current affairs, read a Chinese newspaper, or write an opinion piece about a social issue.
我3岁来了香港加拿大国际学校上学，现在我在3年级 MSL2 的中文课。虽然我不是中国人，但是我很喜欢中文。
我在5年级来到 CDNIS， 也是2017年来的。在我们班，我们会说到很多不同的社会问题。但是因为现在是11月，有双11，所以我们会说到上网购物和购物的。
The Language A stream focuses on literacy and is for students who are considered to have near native to native fluency and includes Mandarin High Level and Mandarin Language A Level. Students are able to discuss in-depth social issues, read a variety of literature genres, and write a comprehensive literature analysis.
我现在读11年级的中文母语班。我最喜欢的华人作家就是老舍，因为他有语言文学大师之称。
Being an IB school, CDNIS recognizes both traditional and simplified Chinese characters. All our learning materials are in both scripts, and all our Chinese teachers teach both scripts. However, if your child starts their Chinese learning journey with us in grade 3 or before, Language A students will use traditional characters, and Language B students will use simplified characters. No one can learn a language in isolation from culture, and CDNIS is fortunate to be located in Hong Kong, an incredibly vibrant and multicultural city, which features a great blend of East and West. We also integrate history, geography, art, and philosophy into our Chinese studies curriculum and help our students develop an appreciation of Chinese culture through our Chinese New Year celebrations, exchange programs, and service programs, along with an abundance of after-school activities as part of our Chinese Culture Academy.
我是4年前加入了中乐团 和中国舞蹈，然后现在还在中乐团和中国舞蹈里面。我是在中国舞蹈学传统中国舞蹈，和中乐团我是学传统琵琶。
Students, no matter if they are with us for a few years or 15 years, one thing is for sure. They will leave CDNIS with an appreciation and a strong Chinese language foundation.
我现在在香港大学读医科，刚刚结束了第4年。我在加拿大国际学校学了14年的中文。
谢谢各位听我介绍我校的中文课程。如果您想知道的更多，请联系我校的招生部。